Okay, now let's learn about lot size and the connection between lot size and the number of pips, right? Okay, so let me take the terminal. So in my account I have $1,000, right? And let's go to Euro USD. So let me take back my Word file. Lot size. Now the smallest lot size you can place is 0.01. This is the smallest lot size you can place here, and you can increase like this 0.02, and likewise when it's 0.09, then it becomes 0.1. That's 10 times as 0.01, 0.1. And likewise you can go 0.2, 0.3, blah blah, up to 0.9, then 1. So these are like major lot sizes: 0.01, 0.1, 1. So this is 10 times you are getting risk than 0.01. Again, lot size 1 mean 10 times bigger than 0.1 lot size. So that means your profit will be 10 times bigger, as well as your losses will be 10 times bigger, right? Okay, so to calculate lot size, I have a very good tool. So I will share this link on below description. Pip Calculator from this forextime.com website. So you can get to know about how much you are risking and how much you are profiting. Let's say I'm gonna change my currency to dollar. Let's say we are targeting 10 pips. 10 pips. That means like from here to here, 10 pips. From here to 1865 to 1865 to 1855. So here we have 10 pips, right? Let's say we are targeting 10 pips from Euro USD pair. Our lot size, I'm gonna change this to 0.01. So how much value, how much we would be profit? $1, right? So if we sell from here, So if we sell from here and we take profit from here, that means 0.01. Let me change my color. Okay, let me put the table quickly. Lot size, pips, profit, loss, right? So if our lot size is 0.01 and we are targeting 10 pips, so remember our pair is Euro USD. So if our lot size is 0.01, we are targeting 10 pips, our profit would be $1, right? So what happened if my lot size is 0.02? Should be $2, right? It should be $2. 0.02. If you increase your lot size and 10 pips, should will be $2. Okay, let's place these two orders. So here we can put our lot size 0.01, or you can go to tools, new order, and you can get this order window, and here you can place, you can put your lot size. And so let's sell from here, just as example. So I'm going to click sell, and you can see our sell order placed here, and you can set your stop loss. If you click and drag on the left side, you can see it's showing pips as well as USD value. Now look closely, it's 9 pips and 9 pippets, and oops, okay, now it's 10 pips, and you can see the TP, take profit value, is 1 USD. Okay, I have to tick this as on the first time. Okay, I have to do that again. Oops. Okay, let's place this like this, and let's place our stop loss. Now since we are selling, stop loss will go to the upside. So yes, 10 pips. Actually 10 pips is bit smaller stop loss, but I'm just showing to for this tutorial. So now if the price hit here, we will get $1 loss. If the price hit here, we will get $1 profit, right? So I'm gonna place another trade. So this time I will place 0.02, and I'm gonna sell again. So this is the second trade, 0.02. Now my lot size is twice bigger, that means if my target is 10 pips, and you can see my profit will be $2, and my stop loss is 10 pips, that means my loss will be $2, right? So now I'm sure you get the idea, right? Now let's see what happened if I increase my lot size to 0.05. Then what happened? 10 pips mean $5. 0.05, 10 pips mean $5. Sorry, $5. Now what happened if I increase my pip value to like 50? So then your profit will be 25. Again, if you take in 50 pip loss, that means your account will have $25 loss. Okay, let me take me back to $10, 10 pips. Alright, so now you get the idea, right? When you increase lot size, your exposure will be higher, as well as your profit target will be higher, as well as your loss tolerance will be higher. Now if your lot size is 0.09 and your pip amount is 10, then you are taking $9. And if you increase 0.01 to this, then 0.1, that means 0.1, 10 pips, that means it will be $10. Got it? Now what happens if you increase further your lot size, 0.02? That means if you place a trade with 0.2 and your target is 10 pips, that means you are taking $20 profit. And same time, if you take a loss, that means you will lose $20. 0.2, $10, that means you will get 20 loss. Yeah? Now this is going up, that means when it hits here, this trade will close automatically. And so this is the first trade. As you can see, if it hits this line, it will close and we will get $1 loss. If it goes down, we will have profit either way, right? And you can see here, so this get the background get red color if the price gets too close when it close to the stop loss area, so indicating it's going to hit your stop loss. Okay, all right. So I'm gonna place another trade, new order, and you have to keep in mind that I'm just placing trade just to teach you, and this is, I have done any analysis or nothing, I'm just placing. So keep in mind that. So 0.1, and I'm gonna sell again. So my lot size is now bigger, 0.01. Now again, so this is the trade. So I came back to one minute chart so I can see better. So my stop loss 10 pips, that means $10, and my TP would be go higher, again $10. TP is $10, and you can see this is 0.1. This is a trade. Yeah. All right. So what happened if you further increase your lot size? Let's say 0.5. That means 50, right? 0.5, 10 pips. That means you will have take $50. Yeah. And if you further increase, if you 0.9, that means with lot size 0.9, if you get 10 pips, that means you would have get $90. Yeah. And if you increase as one lot, that means 10 pips would get you 10 pips would get you $100. Yeah. So now I'm sure you get the idea, right? You get the idea. So that's how lot size works. So I'm going to close this trade. You can just simply click on this cross mark and close the trade. And so let me put another trade. Let's go with the maximum lot size. So if I place a trade with one lot, and if I sell it, so this is one lot, and $10 mean how many dollars? That means would be $100, right? And stop loss will be $10, and that means $100 loss, right? So likewise, now if you are trading, let's say another pair, if you are trading a different pair, let's say GU, and from here you can change this to GBP USD, and you can see again it's same, but if you go to like pair like GBP AUD, then you see the amount is different, and you can calculate how much risk you are getting, how much profit you are getting. You can easily calculate from here, right? All right, so this was a trade that we placed, and as you can see, I have moved my stop loss and TP. And so this one trade is 10 pips, means $100, and so this is another trade. So its TP got hit automatically. So whenever the TP get hit automatically, so this color, it comes as green. So yeah, and this is this trade. So I'm going to close this one as well. Alright, so that's it about pips and lot size. I hope you learned something from it, and if you are new to forex trading, don't worry, this is a long journey, and if you hang in about learning these things, you can easily master these things. I'm going to stop this tutorial from here. I'm sorry this took some it was a long tutorial because I was going slow sake of the new beginners. So if you have questions, please feel free to drop your questions. I will try to answer to best of my knowledge. I will place a Telegram link where you can join, and you can get to know us better, get to know me better, and ask questions and share ideas and everything. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so, and thank you very much. Let's meet on another excellent tutorial. See you guys.